Hello. Neutral loss is one of the most underestimated, yet most dangerous, faults in three-phase electrical systems with single-phase loads. Unlike phase loss, which is usually obvious, neutral loss causes hidden voltage imbalances and that can mean equipment damage, system downtime, even fire. Here's what happens. In a balanced system, single-phase loads are evenly spread across the three phases, using the neutral as a reference. But if the neutral wire is disconnected, maybe due to a loose terminal, a blown fuse, or faulty wiring, everything changes. The neutral point starts shifting based on the load imbalance. This causes overvoltage on lightly loaded phases, undervoltage on heavily loaded phases, and a real fire risk, especially in older lighting systems and appliances. And since it depends on your current load conditions, it's totally unpredictable. To protect your system, Carlo Gavazzi offers two solutions. DPD02, for advanced configuration and diagnostics. DPD51, for plug-and-play protection. Let's see the DPD02 in details. This relay works in both delta and star systems. It monitors voltage, frequency, phase loss, neutral loss, and more. With built-in NFC, you can set everything up using the DPD Manager App, right from your smartphone or PC. It's quick to configure, and powerful enough for large or complex systems. Configuration mode. To enable neutral loss protection, set your line type on 3-phase plus neutral. Activate the neutral loss alarm. Set your threshold between 10% and 30%. Normal operation mode. Alarm activation mode. So, which should you choose? Go with DPD02 if you need to prevent potential equipment issues in real time. Flexible settings, advanced diagnostics and remote monitoring. Choose DPD51 if you need an accurate alarm to be able to respond promptly in case of anomalies. Fast and reliable protection with no setup hassle. These two relays give you a complete toolkit for protecting against the hidden, but very real, dangers of neutral loss. Grow with us. Discover more and subscribe today.